Hi and welcome to another day of Python programming. Today we're going to check out joining and splitting up an array of strings. I know, exciting stuff. Let's get into it. So if you want to try and do it yourself, the array, just create a string array and try and split it up and then join it back together. That's quite a simple little challenge. So see how you go, pause, or if not, just keep on going. Let's do it. So create a new file and we'll create our string. All right, so this is my string that I'm going to split and join. All right, now in Python, let's split it. So to split the string, we're going to use things that occur in the string naturally, and that is the space. So let's use that to split the string. So our result is going to be my string dot, and built into the Python language is this function split, and you tell it what you're going to split with. We're going to split it with the space, and let's print the result. So F5, and I'll call it split and join. And there we go. We've got an array of all of the words inside that string. Next step, let's join them. All right, so we're going to do a similar sort of thing. It's a built-in function, but we're going to use a joining string. Okay, so I'm going to call the result joined. And then this is going to be my joiner. It's going to be a comma and a space. So we're going to put a comma after each word and then a space, comma, space sort of thing. All right, and we go dot. We could just join it with spaces again if you really wanted to. That's fine, we'll try that out. And print joined. All right, let's run that. F5 if you know the shortcut key. And there's our join string. And just for fun, let's use a space. So F5 again, and we'll get our original string. Cool, hope you got the result there. Have fun, and I'll talk to you soon. See you later.